guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the ABH Cosmetics 420 palette. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel, or if you've been watching, I guess, the last few videos, you know that I already tried this palette before and it didn't go very well. And it was my first time trying ABH Cosmetics, so it was very disappointing, but I kind of got some tips and tricks from you guys. For the most part, most eyeshadows will be okay with a, concealer base, but this one maybe not. The one that I was wearing in the video was the Makeup Forever matte one, which looks like this. So I didn't think of anything of it when using a concealer as a base because I usually always do. But today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye base. So I'm pretty much going to try to do the same thing because I still want to achieve the look that I was originally going for. That means I'm going to go in with this color first, called Blunt. So I'm going to take this color Blunt on my Morphe M500 in 14 brush, and I'm going to place this color right in my crease, kind of like in the middle of my eye, and I'm going to start blending this towards the outer portion of my eye just because I'm going to keep this inner corner of my eye bright for a different color. This is blending out much better so far. I'm still seeing it look a little funny around here, but it's not looking as bad as the first time. So I'm just gonna keep going with the flow like I tried to the first time. I'm actually going to take a different brush, a MAC 217 brush, and I'm just gonna take it because it's clean, and I just want to kind of go along the edges of this color just to kind of buff it out a little bit more. Okay, I did both sides. This side I feel like did better than this side, which is funny because I think that's what happened last time. So like this side I don't see any discoloration at all, but this side I see that like dark area there and then a smidge of a brighter area there. So I don't know, I'm kind of confused because this side didn't do anything, so I don't know, but we'll see what happens as I go. Okay, now I'm going to try to deepen this look. So last time I used full melt first, and if you look at the palette, full melt looks like it would be darker than blunt, so that's why I did that. But when I used it the first time, it wasn't like it was so much lighter. I don't know if it was just such a discoloration. I don't know if it was because of the concealer. So I'm gonna try it just a little bit. I'm not gonna put it all over. I'm just gonna like try a little bit on my lid, just a little dab, and see what happens. It does look, I don't want to say lighter. I guess it just has a different undertone. I'm just going to kind of tap it on my lid, blending it into the crease a little bit. It's not really gonna make a huge difference. Now I'm just gonna go in with Roll It, this color here, just so we can deepen up the look. And I'm just gonna put it on my lid. See, I'm not even really gonna use the other color. I'm gonna end up covering it up anyways, which I'm really not liking how this side is. Like, let me just start with this side and see how it goes, because I might redo this whole eye, honestly, since it's acting crazy. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna Roll It onto the lid here and just slightly blend this up. This color is acting weird too on this eye. I can tell it's acting weird because it's like sheer, like it's not sticking to the shadow that's beneath it. I'm probably going to wipe this all off and do a whole different look anyway, so I'm just gonna go in with that color Shotgun, which is the one I was really excited about. This one at the end here. And I'm just gonna see what it'll look like. It's a nice color. To me, these shadows, they're giving me very dry texture, because I feel like dry shadows tend to be really difficult to work with. You know, browns, neutral colors are the easiest colors to blend out. If you can't blend out anything, you should be able to blend out neutrals because they're browns. They're browns, natural tones. Like, natural tone colors are so easy to blend, but when it comes to bright colors, that's like harder. So I expect that from brighter colors, but from browns to be acting funny like this, it just is weird to me. But see where I was going with this? This was going to be a look, okay? This was really going to be a look, especially with these browns and this pop of like lime green. It doesn't look terrible on this side. I feel like it could be worse because it looks better than last time for sure. Let me see what I can do, child, because I really was about to give up in a second. I'm gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna take this liquid lash liner by MAC Cosmetics in the color Coco Bar, which is basically a brown liquid liner. And I'm gonna create a little line, but I'm also gonna do like a sharp inner corner line. But I'm gonna do that probably at the end just because I'm not done with the shadow over here. After the brown liner, I'm going to blend it in with the color Roll It. Okay, and now I'm actually going to use makeup wipes and I'm going to just clean up the edge here. I just kind of got that idea up just because I was like, why not? It looks like a look that would just be really nice with that. So I'm just going to clean it up and give it kind of like a wing look. Okay, now I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back for the rest of the eye makeup look. Okay guys, I finished the rest of my face and now I'm going to do the bottom eye area. I'm going to go in with the first color called Blend, this one here. And I'm just going to take this color with my Morphe M507 brush. And I'm going to put this all throughout the bottom of my eye. And now I'm going to take this color called Roll It. Using the same brush, I'm just going to kind of deepen my eye underneath here on the outer part of my eye and like just blend it into the front with no extra product. And now I'm going to take the Wee Makeup Eye Pencil in the color Moonstone Butter. I'm just going to kind of brighten my waterline. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that color Shotgun and just kind of add it a little farther down in the front here. And now I'm going to go back in with the MAC Cosmetics Liquid Lash Liner in the color Coco Bar. And I'm going to do that kind of like sharp inner corner wing look, but I'm not going to use this brush that it comes with just because it's not thin enough for me to make it look perfect. So I'm just going to put it on my pastry dish. And I think I'm going to take my MAC Cosmetics 286 brush to apply it just because it's going to be a little bit sharper. And I'm just going to kind of draw that inner corner shape. Okay, I like that. And now I'm going to put on lashes, which I'm actually going to use the Doll, is it called Doll Lash Beauty brand and the style Flynny. And then I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look using the MAC Cosmetics 420 palette. I really like how the look came out. I kind of went with the flow, worked with it. It didn't turn out that bad as the first time, so that's really good. This eye still looked a little funky, but I feel like at the end of the day, you're not really gonna notice. Like, it's not that big of a deal. It passed this time around. I'm definitely gonna have to watch out for it because I was thinking like, okay, I think I'm just going to give this palette like to someone I know, but now I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll just try to work with it a little bit more because I really like this color so much that I'm willing to kind of like put up with it, honestly. But yeah, this is a finished look. I really love how it came out. Let me know what you guys think of this palette down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.